Jai Hind, Namaskar. I am Abhishek. I welcome all of you on Last Mile Education YouTube channel. So yesterday we have discussed our reading section. Okay, how can we improve our reading? As you know that we say and we discuss that we have to read one page at least every day. Okay, one page reading, one page writing, one audio listening, and 10 minutes speaking. This is our routine work. Okay. So today we have different topics, the primary, secondary and tertiary. We have three topics to discuss about. Before moving to the topic, we have some words. So let's start our discussion with these words. The first is primary. Primary means like prathamik, the first stage, the basic stage. Like when we were child, at that point of time, our education from class 1 to 5 was primary school. Okay. Was in the primary school, that is primary education. The second is secondary. Second is SECON, second, and secondary, DARY, secondary. That is madhyamik. Okay, madhyamik. After class 5, class 6 to class 10th or 8, that is called secondary education. Okay, secondary. Class 10th you can say secondary education. That is madhyamik school. Okay, that the middle, the second stage. Okay. The third is tertiary. The third is tertiary. TERTIARY. Tertiary मतलब तृतीय, the third stage. That is called tertiary. The next is service. Service मतलब सेवा. Like in the government job, people say that I do government service. Okay, government service. That is सेवा. Okay. Sector मतलब भाग. Okay, sector मतलब भाग, part you can say. Like Noida divided as sector में, चंडीगढ़ divided as sector में, sector 1, sector 2, sector 3, तो वो भाग हम बोल सकते हैं. sector मतलब भाग. Organized. Organized मतलब व्यवस्थित. ORGANISED. Organized मतलब व्यवस्थित. Everything is just organized here. Primary, secondary and tertiary. अब इसको हम लोग as we can take that unorganized, that is अव्यवस्थित. अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड ई स्टार्टिंग में लगा दो और ऑर्गेनाइज्ड को ऑर्गेनाइज रहने दो. अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड अव्यवस्थित. अव्यवस्थित. मैन्युफैक्चर मतलब उत्पादन. ओके, द प्लेस वेयर वी डू मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, दैट इज कॉल्ड मैन्युफैक्चर. जो उत्पादन होता है, जैसे बिस्किट कहां से मैन्युफैक्चर हुआ, मतलब बना कहां से है. ओके, वी सी लाइक फ्रॉम वेयर इट इज मैन्युफैक्चर. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड मैन्युफैक्चर. एक्सप्लॉयट मतलब शोषण करना. Like Britishers used to exploit us. Britishers used to exploit us. Britishers हम लोग का शोषण करते थे. The next is consider. Consider मतलब विचार करना. विचार करना, अपने में लेना. Like okay, I will consider upon this option. मैं इस पे विचार करूंगा, मैं इसको अपने दिमाग में लूंगा. ठीक है. Courage. Courage मतलब साहस. You are a very courageous person. आप बहुत एक साहसी आदमी हो. चलो ठीक है. So now we have three topics: primary, secondary and tertiary. And you know one thing, that everything that happens in this world, all are in these three sectors: primary, secondary or tertiary. Everything, even what you will do, what your mother does, what your father does, everyone around you, even I, my parents, my friends, all are included in these three sectors. Okay. So let's start our discussion with the first, that is primary sector. All activities, the end purpose of which consists in exploiting natural resources, that is called primary sector. Everything that is related to direct with the nature, relation with the nature, that is called primary sector. Like a farmer is producing grains. Farmers क्या करते हैं? They sow seeds in the soil and after 3 months, 4 months, soil earth provides so much grains to them. Okay, so they are in direct connection with the nature, with the primary state, that is called primary sector. Okay, and अगर वो अनाज वो बेचते हैं तो वो सेकेंडरी और टर्सरी में चला जाएगा. उसको कोई फूड बनाकर और पिज्जा आपको सर्व कर रहा है, तो that is in tertiary sector. Okay, we will discuss upon it. But the farmer, the first hand, वो फर्स्ट हैंड में आता है. फर्स्ट हैंड, सेकंड हैंड, ये भी आप समझते हो. फर्स्ट हैंड मतलब डायरेक्ट आपके हाथ में आ रहा है. सेकंड हैंड मतलब आप किसी और को देते हो. तो फर्स्ट हैंड ये हो गया, सेकंड हैंड कोई और लिया तो उसका सेकंड हैंड हो गया, तो वो सेकंड हैंड हो गया, फिर थर्ड हैंड हो गया. ऐसे हम लोग ये भी समझते हैं. तो एग्रीकल्चर इज द प्राइमरी सेक्टर. ओके, द सेकंड इज फिशिंग. like if anyone is putting net in the ocean, in the river, and he or she catches fish, okay, so that is also direct with the nature, so that is the primary stage, and that includes in the primary sector. Okay, the third is mining. Like mining of the sand is a famous thing in Bihar. You can see the whole zone is under the mining purpose, okay, under the mafia people, so they do mining, वो mining करते हैं, तो that is also included in the primary sector because they are directly connected with the river. River is a natural thing, okay, and that is the primary thing, so that includes in the primary sector. Mining of the coal, mining of the so many natural resources, that's all included in the primary sector. The next is forestry. Like if you are like producing some forestry products like jadi butti and even fruits and all, that is also included in primary sector. The next is hunting, that is also included in primary sector. Okay, the next is secondary sector. It consists of processing. Understand and underline the line. It consists of processing, manufacturing and construction companies. It produces good for the natural products within the primary sector. Okay, देखो, in this secondary sector, whatever primary sector produces, in secondary sector we like enhance the product, we process the product, we manufacture the product, we construct the product. Like the agriculture, मान लो आपने wheat यहाँ पे प्रोड्यूस किया, ओके, wheat से यहाँ पे आटा बनाया जा रहा है, आटा, flour, ओके, तो from wheat you are producing flour, आटा, so that is called secondary sector. That includes in secondary sector, that is the second stage. Or you are like manufacturing here biscuits. From wheat you are trying to make here flour, and from flour you are trying to make here biscuits. So here this is in the secondary sector. Okay, and even you will take mining. If the metal you have extracted from the earth, then you process here as a steel. Okay, as a steel. So here it is in the secondary sector, and from a steel you are selling and doing some activities, business. You are producing tractor here and selling tractor. Okay, that is included in tertiary sector. If you are processing as a steel and manufacturing as a tractor, and you are selling tractor here or doing different services from the tractor or from the car, that is in the tertiary sector. Okay, like automobile. See, automobile it means like movable. Auto matlab that is automatic. So automobile it means vehicles like car, buses, truck, tractors, many more things. Okay, that is automobile. So from mining you extracted steel. Okay, steel, metal, different ore. Okay, and from here you processed it to make automobile. That is vehicle like car, buses, many more different like bikes and all. Textile like cotton produces in the primary sector, and here you have processed and made here t-shirt, that is textile sector. Everything that is related to cloth, that's included in textile. Aerospace, energy utilized, etc. Okay, the third is tertiary sector. It provides services to business customers, services to business and customers by selling the goods that are manufactured by companies in the secondary sector. It consists of the selling of the goods to the business or customers. That is manufactured in the secondary sector. Okay, like see here it is manufactured. Here is like metal, steel. Okay, here you have processed and made here car, bus, or tractor, and here you have sold for the tourism purposes. You are using that car, that bus So here it comes in the tertiary sector. Okay, the example is restaurant. Like you have agriculture here, wheat. From wheat you have made your flour, आटा, और यहां से आप पिज्जा बना कर दे रहे हो, पिज्जा, पूरी, रोटी. That includes in restaurant. That is the service sector. You are providing that service to the customer or business. Customers or business. That is called tertiary sector. Okay, like health services, doctors are providing services to you. Engineers are providing software techniques to you. That is called in the service sector or tertiary sector. Okay, or transportation from one place to other place. We used to take transport. That is called transportation. Okay? Tertiary sector also called service sector because mostly in the tertiary sector we provide services to the other people. That is called tertiary or service sector also. So I think today we have a very good class of primary, secondary and tertiary sector. We have understand in the details. Now let's meet tomorrow with a better day. Have a good day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.